Hello, it's great to have you back on the channel. Today, I'll be crafting a delightful treat called Sweet Nutty Grains Medley. Let's dive right in. Start by combining red beans, lotus seeds, black sticky rice, yellow rock sugar, and just the right amount of water in the electric pressure cooker. Set it to the porridge function for about 30 minutes. Once it's thoroughly blended, transfer the mixture to a container for a delightful tasting experience. And that's how you make Sweet Nutty Grains Medley. It's soft, sticky, and carries a delightful fragrance with a touch of sweetness. Give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.